First, the top news headlines. Manipur University Vice Chancellor Jarnail Singh stresses preservation of culture, language. Japan plans HIV drug trials for coronavirus. And experts discuss ways to increase eco-friendly cane and bamboo products. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A one-day international workshop on importance of language and religion in safeguarding cultural diaspora was held today at VC's Court Hall, Manipur University, Kanchipur. MU Vice Chancellor Jarnail Singh during the workshop underlined on the need of preserving others' religions and language besides protecting our own religion and languages. The workshop was organized by Department of Dance and Music, UGC Stride Component 1, Manipur University under the aegis of UGC Stride Component 1, UGC, New Delhi. Jarnail Singh also maintained that one realizes the beauty and importance of religion and language only when he or she is far away from home. He further stressed on the importance of today's workshop for Manipuri diaspora in preserving their own culture and language.
We must make effort to preserve, and it is the duty of us in Manipur to make sure that all those people who are outside Manipur, we help them, assist them in maintaining their culture, and for that purpose, this two-day seminar is very important.
Japan is planning a trial on HIV medications to treat patients infected with coronavirus as the growing number of cases poses an increasing threat to the country's economy as well as public health. According to media reports, Yoshihide Suga, the government's top spokesman, said at a briefing today that the government is currently conducting preparations so that clinical trials using HIV medication on the novel coronavirus can start as soon as possible. A one-day awareness program on cane, rattan and bamboo was held at the Academic Hall Department of Southeast Asian Studies, Manipur University, Imphal today. The event was jointly organized by Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Burnihat, Assam and Apunba Imagi Macha Singh, AIMS, Manipur under the sponsorship of North-Eastern Council, NEC, Shillong, Ministry of Donor Government of India. Head of Department of Southeast Asian Studies, Manipur University, Professor Amar Yumnam, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR, CFTRI, Mysuru, Dr. N.G. Boyama Singh, Principal, Young English Academy, Khamson Valeli, Ukrul K. Vaideyo, Chairman, Machi Village Authority, Dangsa Rawaithan Marine, Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Burnihat, Assam, Manager Training, H. Priyo Kumar Singh and others were present during the program. Chairman of Alternative Plant for Opium Poppy, Sendai, Japan, Yutaka Agatsuma, and Director of THM Green Private Limited, Tokyo, Japan, Teruki Watanabe, who are in Imphal currently, were presented with cane and bamboo products at the event. Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Burnihat, Assam, Manager Training H. Priyo Kumar Singh explained on how cane and bamboo can serve as alternative for woods and timber as the Supreme Court has imposed a ban on cutting down of trees. Further, Priyo Kumar said that the program sensitizes artisans on technologies which can increase eco-friendly cane and bamboo products.
Dagi chari bano kari kana ba phangi ha base ekoi gi laiba scientists jina horen presentation da dum loinak pidikani u ji hojikti supreme court na ben tausan gi bodagi yamna hekta yaning baching yan ba yaraktrabani na wajina mahut chilaga ekoi wajidagi u onthok ba yare haba u gi mahut chin ba yaba pothok to pothok ba yarabani na ekoi irai lai na masi jiki kari to bo yani yaro hai bo mayam jing to loin ma khang magam gani sidagi masina compulsory ekhoi sidagi ba mi jing sidagi kana ba yana phangani.
A rare white-red vented bulbul coining was spotted near Chingdongpok School at Hairok of Thawal district. The school authority informed People for Animal (PFA) about the presence of the bird. A team of PFA comprising wildlife photographer Debajit Okram visited the site. The bird seems to be suffering from genetic mutation called leucistic, where there is loss of partial pigmentation. It is different from albino, which has pigmentation in the eyes, skin or hair. The leucistic bird found at Hairok does not seem to be alone. The bird is now under the care of Chingdongpok School. Notably, an albino sangai was also spotted at Kabul Lamjau last year. A team of Imphal police station caught a serial bag snatcher. The arrested has been identified as 26-year-old Kuraizam Aruba, son of KH Ibotombi of Sagolban, Ingudam Leirak, Imphal, a police report said. He was arrested along with a Royal Enfield Bullet motorcycle in the early hours of the morning. In a latest incident, Aruba allegedly snatched a handbag containing some money and gold jewelries from a woman pedestrian at Kesamthong Top Leirak Machin, Imphal West last morning. Police seized a Royal Enfield Bullet and 4 mobile phone handsets from his possession. Imphal West Police has taken him into their custody and interrogation is underway. Meanwhile, Kuraizam Aruba has been remanded to police custody till 24th of February. Manipuri cyclist Philem Rohan started a 6-month-long solo ride to Tokyo yesterday. This is Rohan's 6th ride. Khel Ratna awardee Dr. Deepa Malik flag off the trip from New Delhi. Rohan carries a message on the rights of persons with disabilities during the ride to Japan's capital, Tokyo. The young cyclist has successfully completed a series of rides from different causes related to humanity and environment. Police arrested an overground worker of the band KYKL at Indo-Myanmar border gate number 2 yesterday. The arrested has been identified as Ningthauzam Angau Singh, aged 34 years, son of Let and Chinglen Singh of Hainong Makhong, More Ward number 7, Technopol district. Acting on a reliable information about the presence of some overground workers of KYKL organization, a team of More Commando conducted routine checking at Indo-Myanmar border gate number 2 More area when the cadre was arrested, a police report said today. Rupees 10,000 in cash was also recovered from his possession. Demanding immediate rollback of the current hike in LPG prices, the Youth Congress and Mahila Congress Uripok today staged a protest demonstration. Indian Youth Congress Secretary in charge Manipur Sarifa Rahman, President of Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC Amir Hussain, Vice President NZ Dilip Kumar Meitei and several others took part in the protest.
Micham Prasada Awaba, Yaski Maman Hangatpa, Yaningre, Lairaba Prasagi Sakau.
Pangan Tabi village under Kaching district is facing shortage of drinking water. One of the villagers told reporters that Pangan Tabi water supply scheme does not provide drinking water to 4 localities, namely Maning Lekai, Mamang Sabalekai, Pangan Tabi School Mamang Lekai and Pangan Tabi Chingkha. The locals threatened that they would lock Pangantabi water supply scheme if the authority does not provide drinking water to the 4 localities within 10 days. They claim that the authorities have ignored the matter. Under the National Health Mission's National Program for Control of Blindness (NPCB), the Empowerment Organization of Youths of Khangabok EOYOK in association with Ningo Lup Khangabok, 7-Star Youth Club Khangabok and Caesar Eye Care Foundation Langol jointly organized a free cataract screening and surgery camp at Pali School at Khangabok Part 1, Sorok Wangwa today. Talking to reporters, social worker KH Benjor Mangang said that the free eye screening camp was held in light of the mission of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister N. Biren towards maintaining a healthy society. Besides considering lack of proper healthcare service in Khangabok area. Consultant ophthalmologist Shiza Eye Care Foundation Langol Dr. Sharda Chongtham said that individuals detected with cataract during the camp will get free cataract surgery at Shiza Eye Care Foundation Langol.
Masih kita mixer tu mapu je loyo na pura ko kasi hindang sima hospital the free stay ta hola ba hayeng nonga laga operation ta gani adugi mathang ki nonga ba hamche ti ayuk se da operation mathang ko na post op ki magi ke amure te hidap ka ke hak ka ni du me ambe check tora mathang ramu moi amuhan na se da mathang.
A one-day financial literacy awareness camp on self-help group SHG was held today at Ngangkhalawai Mayalekai Bazaar said in Bisnupur district. The program was jointly organized by Development Society MDS, New Chekon Imphal and Moirang Kendra Progressive Front MKPF and Manipur Rural Bank Moirang branch under the supervision of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD. During the program, 55 self-help groups of Moirang Assembly constituency were given fourth phase of loan approval letters sanctioned by Manipur Rural Bank. During the program, Thongam Santi Singh, a social worker, stressed on the importance of being sincere while striving for a goal.
Any loan about the loan of the Lupa Lama Loga, you see a get into the DRA. PDS, a way rural banker, like they go but then. Madu Nabat get through the Thali Pasase, PDS get through the Tonga, being the Pico de Deva, Adu Masata Kangon Mayamre Deva, Adu Masata Kangon Mayam, the bomb to Regada, the Hoida get it, the Yogana, Lord PD Deva. Adu the pudding Sida, a Shimba, a way Tamoyama, Chilbum to easily. Madu she a lot of the Rakoi, Socket of the Villa Beach and Barbatanda, Manjin Town, Ganeva, Wapop City, any season.
Director of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Manipur K.H. Shaya Kiran Devi today inaugurated a newly constructed plant health clinic at the office complex of District Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Thobal. On the occasion, Shaya Kiran emphasized on the need of such clinic to produce more high-yielding crops for farmers in Thobal and Kakching. District Officer Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Thobal, KSH Nabakishore Singh said that the clinic will help tackle the problems faced by farmers.
Lainagi natana sintinagi masin natana sin micronutrient wapin haidwa akoina toromani adu hoki si lepta lermina masidi exact masidi laina tena ada masin lainagi sintinagi konga namani adra farmers sing tu masin dongchao nogiu.
Divine Life Club Youth Team extended monetary help to the founder of Tea and Memorial Academy, Hairok Patri Champrathong. The academy, along with the boarding and a house caught fire on the intervening night of February 11th and 12th. The Mizoram government will set up trauma centers in Aizawl Civil Hospital and other district hospitals. Health Minister Dr. R. Lanthang Liana yesterday said that the trauma center at Aizawl Civil Hospital is Rs 5 crore project. As per report, the trauma centers will facilitate treatment in emergency case, the minister said while inaugurating free medical camp for journalists at Aizawl Civil Hospital. He said that the construction of trauma centers in other district hospital has commenced while it is yet to begin at Civil Hospital. Expressing concern about minimal presence of doctors on emergency, especially during night time, Lal Thangliana said that the government would construct resident quarters near Aizawl Civil Hospital to accommodate serving doctors. According to him, the government would construct a Rs 500 crore modern cancer specialty hospital at Jimbao neighboring hood on the eastern outskirts of the state capital. He said that the state government has approached Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA for the project, which was already approved by the center. At least one policeman was killed and two injured today when an improvised explosive device went off near a police mobile van deployed for the security of polio workers in northwest Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, officials said. According to a media report, this year's first nationwide polio vaccination drive began on Monday, aiming to vaccinate approximately 39.6 million children. The campaign involves nearly 265,000 polio workers going door-to-door inoculate children under the age of 5. The incident took place in Kulachi area of Dera Ismail Khan city in the province, where the van was deployed for the security of the polio workers. Canvassing the area, District Police Officer Wahid Mohammed was quoted as saying by the Dawn News. The head of a leading hospital in China's central city of Wuhan, the epicenter of a coronavirus outbreak, died of COVID-19 today, becoming the second prominent Chinese doctor to have succumbed to the outbreak. According to media reports, Liu Ziming, the director of Wuhan Wuchong Hospital, died at around 10:30 a.m. today. Earlier this month, Li Wenliang, a doctor who was previously reprimanded for issuing an early warning about the coronavirus, had died after getting the virus. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, at the ongoing 6th Kayamuddin Memorial State Level Football Tournament at Kairao Makting Sabalekai, the first match between Kairao Menjor Inkol and KMYC Kairao Sabal ended in a draw with 1 goal each today. In the second match, Family FC Kairao Awang defeated Thobal Moising FC in 3-1. At the ongoing 13th Jiri Cup Invitation Football Tournament 2020 that began from 3rd of February at Jiribam High Secondary School Playground, Amofa Moirang beat Chiru SC in 3-1 in the quarter-final league grouping match today. WYFC Wangzing will meet UBCF tomorrow. Sachin Tendulkar collected the glorious sporting moment of the year 2020 for the World Cup winning celebration in 2011. It was India's first WC win on home soil and its second cricket world title. Sachin was honored by tennis legend Boris Becker and former competitor and good friend Steve Waugh. Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton and Barcelona forward Lionel Messi were declared joint winners of the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year award in Berlin, with the voting tied for the first time in the award's 20-year history. Mercedes driver Hamilton won his 6th World Championship in 2019 with 11 race wins and 17 podium finishes, while Messi was crowned the world's best player for a record 6th time when he won the Ballon d'Or. American gymnast Simone Biles, who became the most decorated gymnast in World Championship history when she won her 25th medal last year, won her 3rd Sportswoman of the Year going after winning the award in 2017 and 2019. The Springboks win the Laureus Team of the Year for their incredible triumph in the Rugby World Cup in 2019. The Tokyo Marathon, one of the world's largest races with an estimated 38,000 runners, has been restricted to only 200 elite runners because of new cases of the coronavirus confirmed within Japan, according to a media report. After a case of the viral respiratory disease was confirmed in Tokyo, the organizers said in a statement they could not continue to launch the event within the scale we originally anticipated. The marathon scheduled for March 1st. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Manipur University Vice Chancellor General Singh stresses preservation of culture, language. Japan plans HIV drug trials for coronavirus. And experts discuss ways to increase eco-friendly can and bamboo products. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.